All right, guys, today is the day. The building has arrived. All right, guys, the shed is here. Sorry for the echo, but we're gonna do a brief tour. So we're gonna start back here at the back, and we've got our 12 foot of shelves with a window. We've got a 3 foot workbench over here, also a 3 foot workbench over here. And along that wall, we've also got the 12 foot of shelves. Then we've got the attic space or the loft space, which is going to be used for storage. So definitely looking forward to getting this up and ready. It is finally here and couldn't be happier. Now, within the next week or two, we're going to be putting insulation in and electrical. So, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna get started on now, is getting the electrical outlets outlined for when my electrician gets here to run the electrical. But other than that, that will probably do it for this video. So just remember, there's always somebody out there that's got it harder than you do, and just keep on keeping on, guys.